Welcome to Homebuyers School, brought to you by Brookfield Residential.
So before we begin, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to get the latest strategies, tactics, and tips on home buying, click the subscribe button below, hit the little bell so you don't miss anything.
Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of Homebuyer School. Today I'm joined by Mujtaba Syed, Manager Mobile Mortgage Specialist with TD Canada Trust. And today the question we're going to answer is, should I lock in my mortgage rates?
That's a great question to ask. I get that asked quite a bit from my clients. So currently right now, if you're currently in a variable, because if variable rates were lower, prime rate was lower, and you decided, hey, I won't get the lower rate, it's a great time to actually lock in right now, as we are expecting rates to kind of go up significantly. We are expecting prime to go up at least 2 more times this year. And just as a reminder, that prime rate is our historical low prime rates. This is not normal. We are expecting prime to actually go up eventually, and when it does, it will actually impact your mortgage rates and your payments. So if you can get yourself a very good rate with a very good term, I would definitely recommend locking in. But once again, just kind of depends on your situation. If you're okay taking the risk, and if you feel like overall the rates might drop, it's also a good conversation to have with your banking specialist to see if that fits in with your timeline or any future plans that you might have.
So Mo, can I lock in my rate at any time, or do I have to actually lock it in when I get a new mortgage?
So with a variable rate, most banks actually give you option to actually lock in, as there is a risk associated with the variable. If rates are going up, to actually do let you lock in to whatever term is left remaining on your variable. So for example, if you have a 5-year variable, banks do actually let you lock in for anywhere between a 3-year fixed all the way up to a 5-year fixed. What's available at that time.
Great. Do you have anything else to add?
I would say once again, it's a great conversation to have if you feel like you want to stay into a variable. Have the conversation with your specialist to see how that's going to affect you if the rates ever do go up. If you're comfortable with the rate rising and you're comfortable with your payments, discuss that with them, or feel to discuss if fixed rates are a good option for you at this time.
Perfect. Well, thank you very much, Mo. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining us. Remember to watch our videos on the new mortgage rules in Canada. Have a good day.
That's another edition of Homebuyers School. Tune in next time for more expert tips and tricks. And visit homebuyerschool.ca to bring you one step closer to finding your dream home. As with everything, it would be great if you like and share our videos. Also, please let us know if you have any home buying questions you want us to answer.